This video will create a function to find and return the amount of vowels in a string. So first, it should create a string variable to just separate it out. Let's just spam random letters and characters. So let's make the function. Function count vowels. And we'll take a string as a parameter. Excuse me. And we'll loop over each character in the string. Vowel count 0. Let's also have vowel count variable, and then an if statement. If string y equals. Well, it's fine if it's lowercase. Let me check something. Does this evaluate? No, okay. So I know what to do. So you can just force the to function. And plus count. Let's check if that worked. So it should only return A, but no. String to lowercase. Is it like this? Yes, it is. Okay. And then we can just do this for all the other vowels. Let's also have an include y parameter. Because, you know, maybe you just don't like the letter Y. You don't think it should be a vowel. A-E. U. And if include Y is false, then return, just to make it more readable. And if this is true, then this statement will not run. So that means include y is true. So let's have a check for include y. And that should be the whole thing. So A, E, I, O, U. Why didn't it work? Oh no, continue. Not return. 23. So let's check include y as true and false, and then let's do a little test. A, E, I, O, U, Y. So the first statement should return 5, and the second one should return 6, and it does. I, 8, A, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3 Y's. So it should say 6, 9. Nope, I miscounted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now it should say 6, 9. Nice. Yeah. So that's pretty much how this works. Here, we can even set include y to be true on default. By default, it's true. Yeah, that's a simple function. You can even do it like this if you want, and that should return 1. Yep. How to create a simple if check function. And if you wanted to do consonants, you can do else include y. So if you include y is false, then everything is a constant. Everything other than a, I, or u is considered a consonant. But if include y is equal to true, then check if the current string doesn't equal I. So bb y. Since include y is true on default, we do false. bb y. cbb g u x y z. Let's return it as an array. 521, that makes sense because there's 26 letters in the alphabet. And if we do true, it should say 620. Yep. Because oh, I got scared. I thought I wasn't recording. The second parameter would then, since it's true, consider y as a vowel and not a consonant. So yeah, that's a simple count vowel and consonant. So yeah. So if you want